Hey guys, check out my decoration. Just got done. I got some inflations right here that you can see the Santas. Got the reindeer. That's some unicorn. I did the flag as well. Took me about 3 hours, guys. It was a lot of hard work. But I am getting a lot of compliment. Everybody loves it. I mean, the lights were very easy. You just go on their loops. Everything else, inflating, making sure they stay in one place. Those are the hard part. I absolutely love the flag. Everybody passed by my house. They're taking pictures. They absolutely love it, guys. A lot of compliment. Anyways, those are very fun decorations and cool, and make your house go on the next place. Anyways, happy holiday, guys. Enjoy your holidays. And yeah, if you're in the market for some decoration, guys, check it out. Those are some cool stuff. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone. Enjoy the show.